Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you have seen over here, we have started with the texturing part for this particular interior. So let's continue it. So very first of all, let's texture this couches over here, or you can say the chairs. I'm sorry. So let's go into the material and let's take again a Vray material, and for that I have taken a texture for the leather. So let's assign this texture over here and let's go into this and let's give a UVW map, fit the texture. If you want to give some kind of bump map, you can definitely go with the bump map also. So let's select this and assign the same texture, and let's give a UVW map, set it as a box, and now for this, for the support, we can just give a kind of a wooden also, or you can give a metallic texture, not a problem. So we'll go with the metallic texture, not that texture. We'll create again a new metallic texture. So we'll give a bit of reflectivity or glossiness. Assign the texture over here. Let's render and see how it looks like. Much better. You can work with the glossiness properties also. Also looks better. R glossiness, NH glossiness, we can work out on that. You can see this. Kind of more of a satin metal. Alright, so we'll just name it as satin metal over here. As you can see, I have reduced this to 0 and our glossiness I have reduced to 0.43. So now what we'll do over here is, like we have already assigned this, let's give some texture to this also. So let's go into this and let's give a bit of a yellowish texture. We'll give a bit of off-white. We'll give a bit of reflection for the table. And just save your file. So we are just texturing this particular area in the right way. So let's texture this frames also. So select this, press 4, go into material, and for this let's take a V-Ray material over here. Can take few texture frames. So let's go into this UVW map and set it. So please check it's whether it's assigned or not. Now it's properly assigned. So convert to editable poly and Control I inverse, and let's give Vray material for the frame. I'll just give a brown color material. So you can just rename it as frame over here. So press 4 over here, go into material, Vray material, go again into the bitmap, Control I, inverse. Again go into this UVW map. It's already fitting properly. So just inverse it and let's give the same texture over here. Looks good. So over here, go into material again. You can also use multi sub object. You can define the material IDs and you can just assign that. Control I, inverse, material, can just assign the frame texture for that. So there are a lot of things, so definitely it will take more time for that. So now just select this, press 4, again go into the material. Let's take a Vray material, alright. Again go into this, take one more Vray material, so press Control I and the last frame will just take a copy of this, just push it up. So save your files again over here. So for this we are going to give a satin metal for this. Okay, so we'll assign the same texture. So definitely if you want, you can take another texture also. So let's go into this. Inverse it and let's give the so first inverse it, then assign this material. So let's get back to the camera view and save your file. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.